friend,
castles
but
are-
except I didn't update anything because. Well, it's just. That's easy.
Yeah.
There's already.
It's over. You're done. You made it. Congratulations.
Alright, time to download this fucking log. Can I take like 10,000 years?
Trying to get that down tilt. Forward throw.
Ooh. Uppy, always great way to get damage off. Sam is going to... Nope.
And that down air.
You always need to be careful of that charge shot. That's the thing about Samus. Like, no matter where you are on the stage, especially online, it's really hard to react to charge shots. So, you always just have to play kind of cautiously. Well, and not anymore after you kill the Samus.
B trying to get the side B. These two have the weirdest matchup. You know why? Because
Why?
some games, Moon took like really convincing games. 3 stocks to 1. Like those types of games. Then other
Yeah.
games they look like this. So it's really confusing.
Yeah.
It's like there's no stability on it. And all of it.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. That is barely not going to take it for Castle.
Up
Moving in the up throw.
Up already.
Using the charge shot. Wow, a little bit of a taunt right there.
Like, I
Now
don't
something
need
that-
this.
The Pyre's been doing a lot, right, as you can see, trying to do here near the ledge. Throwing that blazing end, getting the footstool, but reading the roll in with the down air.
Mhm.
But clearly Moon has not done that yet, but maybe once it'll work. Or maybe we'll get varied up. Back air.
Also, this is the second time Samus is in Grand. Except this one actually played.
Yeah, that's true. Gonna be able to recover even without the sword. Now we're going into Spamus mode.
Samus.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Oh,
You need me to
It's
call
pain.
someone?
It wasn't that
it's
long.
pain.
See these footstool combos? Oh, that platform is not gonna help out.
I think he did it earlier.
This can be evened up right here with a proper ledge trap. Ah, this photon edge. I hate that move. Oh, the jump read. There. How do you be able to get this edge guard? Down B. That is going to take it. Alright, one stock, one stock.
Unfortunate for Castle, but... And
the-
unfortunate for
Yes.
Moon!
He gonna take game 1 for Castle. Buffered air dodges, like he tried to just tech the footstool. I hate buffered air dodges in this game. They're so, you don't know how many times I've died to buffered air dodges. They're the worst.
I know I'm gonna dip. It's too much for me.
Too much for you.
Oh, and he left.
Like, I'm done. 4 hours too many. You're like... I'm done 7. Summer of Quicks have taken 7 hours.
Really?
Yeah, those are typically the days that we did doubles ends.
Yeah, that's fair. I mean, now they take like 5.
Which is still crazy.
Yeah, which is definitely still crazy. Like, thinking about that 5 hours, that's long.
5 hours of watching people play. Not even playing, just watching people play Smash.
Yeah.
That's essentially what we do.
Yeah.
Maybe play for 10 to 15 minutes of
Very minimal playing.
people playing in the tournament have very already playing.
Yeah, they've got a fun time.
It's the only sucky thing about Oregon. After a while, you're like, okay, I've seen enough Smash.
But I'll tell you, I never get tired of playing Smash. I could play Smash forever.
I used to be that way. I don't think I could do that anymore. Especially with online being the only thing now.
Yeah, that's definitely true.
Like when locals and all that stuff was around, I would play Smash.
Yeah, I feel what you're saying.
Now it's only online, and I'm like, I don't play online tournaments. What am I doing?
Yeah.
Why am I playing this? Just those tournaments online. And the neutral special, taking a stop.
It's surprisingly deceptive how good that move is.
The win to the wrong person. You can get rusty over that little break he had. Or castle adapting. That's the sucky part about being in Winterside Grands.
Yeah, definitely.
You kind of almost have to start just keep playing Grands.
Ooh, the F smash is gonna take it. Missed the roll read. She got the read, but was not able to punish. But then ended up getting with the F smash. But no, I totally agree with what you're saying. Like, it almost you almost get stale.
Mm-hmm.
Good swap.
And then the person in losers is done playing.
Yeah. And they're like kind of on a roll because they clearly just won.
Mm-hmm. Especially if they made the losers come back.
Yeah.
Then they've been constant non-stop.
Let's see what-
Is always behind me.
This is again. You remember, Moon is in Winterside for a reason. Things are possible.
Not possible till it's not possible.
Very true.
I don't know what I just said there, but I guess it made sense.
And I just full-heartedly agreed with it.
It's not possible until it's not. What did I say? It's not possible until it's not possible.
I could not tell you.
What does that even mean?
I can tell you, Castle's been going for a lot of these power up Bs on stage trying to get that kill. It's really... Ooh. Bounce. Really important that Moon steers clear of that. And especially these side B. Yeah, well, see? Oh, still living. You really need to be nervous of those. Yes, charge up that charge. That's definitely a great idea. Just try to get this kill, and then you never know. Comebacks are possible. But losing the charge is getting hit.
Did you lose it?
Yeah, you did charge up off stage. Oh, deceptively strong. Or deceptively lagless.
Oh! Talking about the charge
What?
shot.
Hey, you know what we said a couple weeks ago? You've seen it done before. Not a lot, but you've seen it done before. And then it happened.
Charge shot, that's what he needs.
Ooh. Alright, let's see this edge guard. Nope, just gonna be a blazing end.
Are we gonna get another, like, fast forward thing if we come back?
Almost definitely. This might take it though.
No.
Oh, barely.
That's it.
That will certainly take it. That was a funky looking kill screen. That was 3 different times that the like red screen showed up. Yeah.
I was surprised when he lived that. That was like 190%. Still living. Oh, that lag test setup was while you were gone.
Oh, really? And?
No one got DQ'd from.
Uh,
And then
I mean, that's always a good sign.
Kevin did too. Got
All right.
pets. Kevin was like, I need you to have him lag test them. And I'm like, okay, then send them to my other arena and then what lag test them. And he's like, okay, so he sends them there, and I'm like, are you watching? And he's like, no, I don't have Sable. And I'm like, the other account is screen sharing. Still screen sharing, but it's kind of pointless. Oh.
These up Bs are really putting in work. They're really strong up there. Gonna take it.
Oh. Castle putting in some work. This could be reset.
It definitely could. Only one more is needed. Now, it seems like Moon is really trying to use these down B bombs at the ledge to try and force certain get-ups, but it really doesn't seem to be working. Castle kind of has the download on what to do around those.
Yeah. I mean, this was the winner.
Castle's getting a bit more risky going for these edge guards. High neutral B. Barely missing the small charge shot.
Okay, spin. And dash attack. This is. Uh-oh.
Ooh, wiggling around with the bomb, barely just making it back. Great recovery by Moon.
Down throw.
The Mither switch is kind of surprising, but yeah, there we go. Back to the Pyro. Coming back, let's use ledge trap. I mean, Pyro is very good at ledge trapping. Wow, 160. It's still making it back. And the bomb.
Oh,
Alright, there we go. That's the
And the up B. Taking it.
It's really strong. It's so strong and it's so big.
We're getting some damage in. Okay, trying to come in with an air. Dash attack. And has control. Not anymore.
Ooh, really trying to get that spike.
Did before. You crazy.
Here. Oh. Not gonna take it. You have to take this stock quickly if you're Moon.
Okay.
Still not making it.
Up there will do it. Only 50%. This is really doable.
Mm-hmm. Definitely.
Caught him with the bomb. That was smart.
See, bombs are working a little bit better at the ledge now that he's dropping off the ledge to try and act.
Oh,
Oh,
that
I
was
thought he was
scary.
gonna do that.
And back. Up there.
I mean, lots
Or
of things will
even.
kill here. Despite Samus's weight, Pyre's just extremely strong.
Up there, coming from Moon. Another one. First time Moon has advantage here.
Definitely. And now he's starting to space a lot better using these projectiles.
Aw, missed his hard shot though.
Uh-oh, what's... Oh, no kill throws. Getting that
Caught
back
with the
air.
back
Probably
air.
start up to the shot. Up there. Alright, 123. Lots of things will kill here.
Oh? No.
Charge shot.
That's it. Moon getting himself on
Alright,
the
game
board.
3. You know what? It was a feisty game, but once Moon started getting in the rhythm, definitely worked out better.
Yeah, we're going to game 5. If we go to game 5 and we get a reset, then there's a possibility still of your jinxed game 10. Alright.
Starting off game 4 here. Now this is going to be a big turning point either way. Are we going to have the reset, or are we going to bring it to a game 5? Either way, very big and advantageous for whoever wins this game.
Spoon blade. Backhand. So far, Castle has a lead, but that's proven to be almost nothing.
Definitely true. In this matchup, things are very momentum-based. Nice opting go for that jab 1.
Okay.
Always charging that charge shot. It's a great thing to get in the habit of, especially as any Samus. Oh, that was a weird interaction.
Damn, that was
In
really
there.
weird.
They just kind of like stood there, and then like moved forwards and stood there again. See, and that lead is now totally taken away and reversed.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see who's gonna take this first stock and take the lead.
Back air. There's that charge shot. Got hit though.
Oh, that
That's
yeah,
it.
not gonna survive that up B.
Just let him get the whole full charge shot there.
Yeah,
Full charge shot. Now I'm gonna take it. Up throw. Yep. The throw coming up from Castle. He's learning to like catch that up B with that bomb.
Yeah, definitely, which is a smart thing to do, especially because it's a projectile.
It's weird that that little tiny bomb stops this giant sword.
Yeah, true.
Giant sword with fire.
With a human attached to it.
Yeah.
Maybe that's got some weight to it.
Versus little pebble bomb.
That's a strong bomb.
Ah, people do it. Only 30% taken on Castle here. Remember, Castle only needs one game to reset bracket.
True. Ooh, I thought we were gonna see maybe an F smash though, not
And a
there.
dash attack.
Oh, wasting that charge shot. Let's see, how can we edge guard here? Great tech.
Air coming out from Castle.
Moon, if you can get the stock, you want to get it fast.
Right shot, dash attack. We'll do it. Take that stock,
There we go.
as you say it.
66%. Again, this is definitely doable, especially in this matchup with this momentum.
Get it done.
Seen it done.
And
Well, there
just
we go.
like
And
that,
we're timed
even.
All right, going for the F smash. Trying to set up a ledge trap.
Oh.
Back. Oh, barely making it back with the photon edge. Not photon. Yeah, photon edge.
Oh.
A back
No.
not gonna take it. Super high percents for both of these. Down smash. Definitely want this charge shot. How you gonna punish that? Back air? With the charge shot snipe?
Oh
charge
my
shot.
god.
We are going to a game 5. Wow, that was a great comeback from Moon.
Reverse 3-0?
Let's see. I mean, looking like maybe Moon has the momentum.
This is scary for Moon. Because
Yeah.
he could end it right here. Or he could have to go another potential 5 game.
Very true.
This is scary for both of them, because Castle, if he loses here, this is it.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
We're jumping into it. Iron Myth round. Samus. Will we see another game, or will this be it?
All right, game 5, grand finals.
Front throw from Castle.
Ooh, that was a weird interaction with the jab. Using these bombs a lot better than in the previous few games. There.
Oh,
Trying to
missed the
really
dash.
kill. How are you gonna punish this? Oh, you're not. You're almost gonna die from it.
Ugh.
That
Getting
slight
caught.
bit that her moves around when she does that is so devastating.
He's getting caught up in a lot right now.
Wow! Blazing end.
We're thrown there.
How can you come back from this? Ooh. The Pyre just looks like she has all the momentum at this point. Samus, she can do nothing about it. And that roll, really bad roll. Uh-oh.
Okay, I was gonna say we've seen this interaction. That took it.
Wow, the up smash is so strong. All right, are we gonna see there's a potential reverse 3-0 in the games. Are we gonna see a reverse 3-0 of stocks? No,
we're not.
we are not. We're going to get a 0 to death right there, I think. And we're going to a reset. All right. Well, I need to go grab my Switch charger if we're doing a reset, so I'll be right back. Alright. Looks like we're going to be heading into a bracket reset.
Yeah, that is what happened.
That's what happened. Charging up my Switch. Charging up everything.
I just looked at the chat and my stream elements, and that long message that Kevin put in there is so long that it looks like there's no one that wrote that.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
It's just there.
Well, that's nice. I just got a notification that you went live on Twitch.
Oh, that's cool. Thanks.
Yeah,
Twitch.
that's nice. I mean, 5 hours late, but you know, better late than never.
It reminds me of one time, because I used to have a roommate, I don't anymore. When I had my roommate and I was streaming, I streamed for so long, and then I ended my stream. And I went in the living room to, like, chill and eat.
Yeah.
And he came out and he's like, "Aren't you streaming?" I'm like, "No, I ended it, like, a while ago." And he's like, "Oh, wait, what, really? You just told me you went live." I'm like, no.
Oh my gosh. That's pretty funny.
I didn't just go live. I went live hours ago. But
Did he
not
play Smash
just
too?
now. Yeah. That's actually where I met him, is through Smash.
Oh,
We both went to the same local.
that's pretty cool. You know what else is cool? Getting into a bracket reset. Nice transition, if I do say so myself. Alright, so everything has been reset. The winner of this set is going to take it all. No prior stakes.
It's cool for the sake of the tournament. I don't think the players are very cool at that. Because I know if I did a bracket reset, I'd be like, "Oh, I gotta play another reset. So let me be over."
Yeah. If I was in winners, I would. If I was in losers, I'd be pumped. Just a little too slow on those footstool reads after the side B.
You're too slow. I'm just thankful that we don't have Sonic in your hands.
Oh my gosh, then it'd be a timeout every single time.
Then maybe I'd be like, you know, Kevin Puff,
Yeah, you all come back?
I streamed the last Grand Finals. You want to stream this one?
That would be so funny.
I'll sit out this one. You can stream it.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You're just being nice and giving him the opportunity.
Yep.
A little exposure.
It's your turn to stream, Vince.
Yeah.
You get to. That's what we used to
Alright,
do
let's
when we
get
had
switch
two
to combos.
streamers.
What?
That's what we used to do when we had two streamers.
What? Just say you got it?
No, each week we'd be like, alright, this week I'll take grams, next week you take grams.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
That way, evenly someone can go early.
Yeah, that's true.
Because not to say the tournament's not hype, but 5
It's
hours
draining.
is a long time.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely. We're gonna footstool there.
Oh, unfortunate. For
He's
Castro.
Jab ledge is really putting in work.
Oh, I thought he was gonna mess that up. Oh, I was about to be so sad. All the charges
Nice.
got takes at 139%.
Ooh, really tried to read that roll right there. Hey, we said it once. Well, and we won't say it this time. You're done.
Gonna let it come back?
Yeah.
I don't see it.
Yeah, I don't see it either.
I see a dead Samus.
Very true. Goodbye? Oh, I was like, did you leave?
I did that
I
on
was so-
purpose.
I was so confused when I saw tournament organizers, and then I saw a third person in here. I didn't like. Took me a second to realize that it was like Disable. I was like, wait, who else is a TO? And it said it was originally named like Hockey something.
Yeah.
What did it used to be? Yeah, Hockey Slayer 55. Did you make that?
So the origin of Hockey Slayer 55 was, I don't remember what season it was, but me and Rock, the original owner, also switching to Mario, famous. The original owner of Project Steam. We decided to do this whole like skit thing. Because it was like the first or second time that we were collaborating in a season.
Uh-huh.
So we decided to do this skit thing of like, I don't remember what it was that we happened. But we basically said that we weren't agreeing and we were angry and mad at each other. And we were just talking just nonsense, like being angry at each other. And then I made this fake leak that Rock could post on Rock's like Twitter or whatever. And he posted it, and I had that account, but I could actually view the Project Sting server because I left on this account to make it seem more realistic. And then I also used it to kind of mess with people, like, oh, I want to be like the next person to team up with SOG or Project Sting or whatever.
Why
and I
do you
was
name?
like exposing the leak and whatever. Like, it was funny.
Why do you name it Hockey Slayer?
So no one knew it was me. I just named some like random thing that doesn't make sense for me to be named after or whatever. And Hockey Slayer is kind of what came to mind because I don't watch hockey at all. And
That's like
Slayer was just kind of like that thing.
Yeah. That's what you're missing out on, that you don't watch hockey. I mean, that's why my tag's Islander 61 in the first place.
I don't watch any real sport, to be honest.
That's crazy. I always watch sports.
Like the closest thing I watched to a sport isn't even a sport.
Don't say Smash. Don't say Smash.
No, no,
Oh, good. Okay.
it's WWE, which is fake.
Hey, it's better than nothing.
And I don't even watch that anymore. I watch like pay-per-views. That's it.
Ugh. I suggest you turn to hockey. You know the Wild are doing well.
I have no clue what that is.
It's the Minnesota team.
Oh. I've heard of it. I just didn't know what it was.
Yeah. And
So
yeah.
we're kind of in the same situation we were last time.
Very similar situation.
Kind of almost exact right now.
Except we had a Mario thrown in there.
Yeah.
I think we see a switch back to the Samus.
Do?
I do, because you have to remember that the Samus at least won 2 games. The Mario just did not. And if you're going to go on your last game, your potential tournament set, you'd rather have someone, 1, you're more comfortable with, and 2, that you've actually won with before.
True.
We know it's possible for Moon to win a game with the Samus. We don't with the Mario.
Mm-hmm. So, to give you an aspect of like how old the computer is that I dug up, you know what an E machine is?
No, but I'm going to go look it up.
It's like a really old computer. That's what this is.
Ooh! Ooh! Oh, I do know what these things are. I just didn't know it was called an E machine. Ooh!
That's what I have.
Wow, that's... Yeah, that's old.
And it comes with Windows 7. I upgraded it to Windows 10.
Alright.
And it's actually running smoothly. I thought it was gonna like be really slow when I upgraded it to Windows 10.
Yeah, I bet. You see the skin change, that sometimes does more than you think it does.
I would have just kept it on Windows 10. But for some reason downloading Discord, there was a file missing on Windows. And
Really?
Windows 7 isn't supported anymore, and I didn't want to go on a witch hunt for that one file.
Yeah, that does not sound like fun.
I'm like, you know what? Windows 10 we go.
Yeah, great move. Alright, we got potential last game here. And Castle's starting out strong. As always, this seems to be the trend.
Dash attack. Dash
But there
attack.
again, the comeback, it's just this percentage lead that just gets snapped.
Oh! No spike, but that's dead Pyra.
Wow.
Now, Moon in the lead. Probably the best lead he's had this set.
Yeah, that's probably right. And he's even down 2 games, so... So, that's an understatement. Or, I don't know what I'm saying. And back to the match.
Feel that.
Up smash not gonna connect.
Oh. Still living on this third stock. This is crazy. Moon with the download? Maybe?
Wow,
living.
still not killing.
Yeah, there's not much to do. Pyra kind of covered everything there.
Yeah.
His options were die or get hit and die.
You're gonna die either way. Why not go out in style?
Oh, charge shot. And I guess
Good.
the hit option, you could have maybe teched. Maybe.
Yeah.
And I think that's probably what he was going for.
Yeah. Now here's the thing, we've seen Moon take back the lead really well.
Oh.
I thought he was gonna just finish strong on that. We've not actually seen Castle go and take back a strong lead, so
Yeah.
this is gonna be a test. Ooh, that's so strong, the Smash player.
That.
Well,
Even.
now we've got an even game.
You like to do that. Like,
Yeah.
we never seen this, and then all of a sudden we see it.
Yeah, that's true. Watch this. Ready? Ready? We've never seen a deep offstage spike all tournament. Like, really deep.
Like,
Let's
super
see what
deep,
happens.
in the blast.
We're just gonna end up getting like an F tilt for the kill or something.
Always happens when you bring it up.
Moon definitely playing a little more campy here, trying to create that space that Samus needs so well, especially charge up that charge shot.
Oh. 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 That could have been scary.
That could have been a semi-deep spike. Not really that deep, but a spike.
It was above stage, that wasn't even deep.
A shallow spike.
It's in the
Let's
shallow
see
water.
how we finish off. Ooh, I don't know if we're
Down
coming
air,
back.
up air.
Alright, Samus is definitely at kill percent. Ooh, great SDI out of that, but has the charge shot. Have smash. Bomb. Still gonna recover. Ooh, could have let it rip in one. And
And did it.
there we go. We're going to game 4.
Wins on the board.
Moon's
Again,
ledge trap
looking
is
like the
on.
last.
Yeah, looking very similar.
We go to game 5.
Then we almost had the game 10 situation.
No, we would have.
Did we go to game 5 last?
Yes.
Oh, you're right. I didn't even think about that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Again, see, I said it, and then all of a sudden it happens.
Well, it hasn't happened yet.
True. Fair point.
It has to win again for that to happen.
And I assume we see the same characters.
Pyra and Mithra and Mario.
You thought you were wrong.
I knew it. No, I'm just kidding. See, secretly that's Mario in the Samus armor.
Got it. It's not Samus, it's Mario in there.
Yeah. It's Marmus.
And then there's Zero Suit Marmus
Yep.
and Dr. Marmus.
Which is just Beach Mario. Dark Marmus is you know in Sunshine?
Yeah.
Bowser
Yeah, it's
Jr.
just-
turns into that like watery Mario.
Yeah.
That's just
Shadow
that.
Mario?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's Dark Mario. That's Dark Mario.
Come on. Alright, fine, let's just go. Like, what is like young Marmus and Toon Marmus?
Young Marmus? Well, Young Marmus is really clear because it's
Yeah, that's true.
it's
Baby
Baby
Mario.
Mario.
But who would be Toon Marmus?
Paper Mario. Paper Mario or the Mario from the Mario and Luigi series?
God, I hate the Mario and Luigi games.
Anyway, Moon has... Never mind. Castle and Moon are even in the game.
We are all tied up again.
Forget I ever said anything.
Ooh, almost could have read that rolling with the mini charge shot.
Backer from Castle.
Ooh.
There's a lot of air dodges at the same time.
Yeah. Ooh, not gonna hit the up smash there. That wouldn't have killed, but it would have been really strong. They're gonna miss that forward air. Grab back throw.
Missed the charge shot.
Let's see, and we're going for the edge guard. Oh, maybe ledge trap. Maybe just get hit. Ooh, almost died.
Almost died.
Oh, that went right into the stage.
You are even, neck and neck.
Yeah, well, commentators curse much.
They're still even. And he's basically at 100%. See, even.
Well, fair point, fair point. Alright, final stock. Castle can take it and take the whole thing. Or we're going to see a Game 5, the Game 10 of Grand Finals.
And then Islanders just... There's a time traveler to gamble for the...
Yeah. I actually knew from the start that we were getting a Game 10. See? Watch this. 3, 2... Wait. 10... 9...
How do we get from 2 to 10?
We just added a few. What
Why is the timer stopped? How do we get from 9 to 10? 5?
4...
Okay.
And a half. 3.5.
Oh, okay.
3.25. 3, 2.
Oh, that was a fast 2.
1.5.
Nah.
0. Ooh, wow, I really killed on that timing. And it looks like Castle is going to take Earthquake number 83 with the
That
Pyro.
means you're